Hi guys! Aniq here.
Ali here.
Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So today we're going to be unboxing the iPad 8th Gen
32 GB
model. So you guys can see this is the box. So this is the newest normal iPad Apple's released this year. So it's called the iPad 8th Gen, so it's just like the normal iPad. So it's the 8th generation of that.
Yes. So this one has the A14 Bionic chip inside of it.
It has the newer chip. There's a couple of other updated features as compared to the 7th, which we will compare both later on in the video. So without further ado, let's start unboxing. We have it open. So
we have the black color over here.
On the front it's black, so it's we have it in space gray specifically. We'll take that out and show you.
As you guys can see, it's in space gray. And yeah, let's put this aside for now.
Let's see what else comes inside. Let's open what's this thing.
So there's iPad and how to set it up exactly.
Normal paper thingies
and two
information.
Very big stickers.
Big stickers. You can put these back. One thing I did notice, which is actually really good, they now have their 18-watt fast charger coming in with the iPad, which before, and it's also USB-C, which before it was a 12-watt, I think, a 12-watt charger, which was
USB,
which is normal USB, but this thing is fast and it would charge up the iPad faster than that one. And with that, it also comes with a USB-C to lightning cable, which is really good because most things now starting to use USB-C, which now you can just like connect it to your computer with USB-C directly if you want to transfer data or something like that.
Yeah, that's quite cool. So let's put these back.
And
so it's time for the iPad. So
yes, see, you want to take it off? So you guys can see the front and back. As you can see on the back, it's space gray.
And on the side is for the Apple Pen or the portfolio.
The folio, so this one can connect to the folio with these 3 dots. On the top, power button and audio jack.
Well, I'm surprised it still has an audio jack.
It's a good thing it still does.
It's very good.
It has the 2 volume buttons right here. Bottom, it has Touch ID. It has the Touch ID home button, and they have lightning cable, charging port, and 2 speakers. So now we have the iPad 7th Gen right here. You guys can go check that video out. Here it is. This one's in rose gold. You guys can see.
And in the front it's white, so we have a screen protector on it.
Currently, but you guys can see that it's white, and then over here. So
same thing with this on that side, that you can also connect it with a portfolio.
So externally, when looking at it, from the front, nothing different. Screen size also looks the same, which is 10.2 inches. It's just that this is white because of the color. So far, nothing too much different. Turn to the side. Still has the folio, but dots. Other side, it still has the 2 things. So it's mostly the same body. The mics. On top, you can see audio jack here. They both have the audio jack. They both have the 2 mics here and here, and the power button. So far, nothing too much different in the body. So it could be possible that they use the same body. It's not unlikely that they didn't. The only difference mostly is that this thing now has the A14 Bionic chip, which is going to be more powerful, which means you can play, you can use softwares faster. For example, you could use Photoshop on this or something, or edit videos on iMovie faster with that chip.
And like, if for example, if playing like games that need like a bit more power, it'll be easier to run with the new A14 Bionic chip.
The great thing about this is that it's actually the cheapest iPad that Apple is selling, which and it's also really good for school and stuff since everything's now online. This is going to be really good for using in school and other stuff like that. So this iPad, it's really cool. I mean, not too much different from the iPad 7th gen, but like the A14 Bionic, the updated chip and stuff, that thing is really gonna help in lots of softwares. Thank you guys for watching this video.
Please like this video.
Remember to subscribe to our channel.
I'm gonna hit the bell icon. Bye.